Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 12. We're reading a chart, representing an amount using coins, and finding the value of a set of coins. So we're going to pretend that our cafeteria is an ice cream shop, okay? And this chart shows what the ice cream shop sells. So if you look, we can buy ice cream cones or frozen yogurt cones. Okay, the size of cones we can buy small, medium, and large. And then the special things we can order is we can put on sprinkles or have a waffle cone. So let's pretend that I am buying a large frozen yogurt cone. All right? So if I look at my chart, a large frozen yogurt cone costs 90 cents. Okay, so this equals 90 cents. Right? So what coins can I show using 90 cents, using the fewest amount of coins? Well, I'm going to want to start with quarters first. So quarters I know are worth 25 cents. Dimes are worth 10. Nickels are worth 5. And pennies are worth 1 cent. Okay, so since we want to use this fewest number of coins, I'm going to start with the quarters. So I would have 25 cents. 2 would be 50 cents, and then 3 would be 75 cents. So here I have 75 cents so far. I can't use another quarter, because if I used another quarter, I'd end up with $1, and that's more than 90 cents. So now I'm going to switch over to the dimes. So 75 cents plus 1 dime equals 85 cents. Okay. So I can't use any more dimes, because if I did, that would be 95 cents. So I'm going to use nickels. So I'm going to use 1 nickel. So 85 cents plus a nickel is 90 cents. So to pay for my cone, I would have to use 3 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 nickel. Okay? All right. What if I want to buy a medium ice cream cone with sprinkles? So if we look, a medium ice cream cone costs 50 cents, and then sprinkles are 10 more cents. So that's going to be a total of 60 cents. Okay? So to show this, I would use, so let's go by quarters first. So that's 25 cents. Another quarter would be 50 cents. Okay? So then I'm going to use a dime. And a dime is 10 cents, so 50 cents plus 10 is 60 cents. To buy my medium ice cream cone with sprinkles, I would use 2 quarters and 1 dime. Okay. What about a large ice cream cone? Well, if we look, a large ice cream cone costs 80 cents. So I need to get 80 cents. I use the fewest number of coins, so we're going to start with the quarters. So my quarters, we'd have 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents. Okay, can't use any more quarters. A dime is worth 10 cents, that's too much, so I'm going to also use a nickel. 75 cents plus a nickel would be 80 cents. There we go. So I would need 3 quarters and 1 nickel to pay for this ice cream cone. All right, what about a medium frozen yogurt cone? Well, a medium frozen yogurt cone costs 65 cents. So I'm going to need to use, so we have 1 quarter is 25 cents. Then 2 quarters is 50 cents. Okay. Can't use any more quarters, so I'm going to use a dime. And 50 cents plus 10 cents is 60 cents. And then I'll use a nickel to get 65 cents. Okay, so I used 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 nickel to pay for my ice cream cone. All right, so let's say I want to buy 2 ice cream cones, 1 for me and 1 for my friend. So 2 large ice cream cones. If each large ice cream cone costs 80 cents, 80 cents plus 80 cents would equal $1.60. Okay, So I want to pay the cashier with that amount of money using the fewest number of quarters, dimes, and nickels. Well, I know that 4 quarters equals $1. So I'm going to need 4 quarters to start off. And that's $1. Okay, so now I can use another quarter, which would be $1.25. Another quarter would give me $1.50. And then I just need to get to $1.60, so now I can use a dime to get to $1.60. Okay, so I needed 6 quarters and 1 dime to pay for these ice cream cones. Okay, now if I wanted to use half dollars, now half dollars are worth 2 quarters. And you don't see them much, but it's a much larger coin. So if I used half dollars, that would be 1, 2, 3 half dollars and 1 dime. Because 2 quarters equals 1 half dollar. So 3 half dollars and 1 dime is how much I would use. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.